iNHERERA idzi unozongoti Mwari ndipewo moyo wokungoti regai ndimupe mumwe mukana mwana uyu. Ngoziya kana dziri nherera soka dzinenge dzisina vatari ataura zvataura voice note raatumidzira iro ndamunyorerawo zvandamunyorera and then I sent her a voice note. Regai ndikuplayerei voice note yandamusendera.
I want you to know this, Mishi. Let me say this in English. Maybe you don't understand Shona that much. You know, when people hear that I am supporting someone, the Queen, Tatalicious, is supporting someone, even my enemies will come to you wanting to hurt you in a way, which means those people who I have said negative stuff before or who I have ridiculed in the past, they want to harm you because they don't like Queen Tatalicious. So those, for example, the interview, OLLAH, it was absurd. It was uncalled for. He was literally attacking you. That was not an interview at all, because you kept on saying to OLLAH, you don't want to talk about the father of your first child, and he kept on provoking you to say things. It was an attack. So you should have just quickly descend to say, no, this is not an interview. There's something behind something. Even with YAYAH, she was not supposed to ask you about the father of the first child. That's why, that is not the reason why you went to that interview. You went to the interview because of Dave's child. You understand? So it was an attack. So you must know. But now you know my child. You know. So this is how we do it. Next time, ask advice. Come in my inbox. Mom, I have been called to an interview. What can I expect? My dear, I've been doing this for over 13 years. I've been on people's phones for over a decade plus, which means I've seen things. I've jeweled my dinner. I've seen things. I know some stuff, not everything, but I know some stuff. So when you go to these interviews, please keep me informed so that I advise you. And I say, please, when you go to interviews, let them send questions before you go. What are they going to ask you? And tell them your do's and don'ts, areas you cannot, so that when they ask, you say, we agreed. That is what is done when you go to interviews. And it's come on, I think what's it.
Ndaikufarira unoziya. Ndichiti Mishero anika nemoyo wakanaka ndokuona uchitaka maskiti na arandomufara nekuti amai vake vanoimba zvinonakidza uyu. Izvo uri kaderira fesi yakanaka asi mukati moyo gorira une moyo wechigorira. Maimubvunzirei mwana nenyaya dzababa wemwana wekutanga? Ndozvanga mamudedzera mustudio mupodcast menyu izvozvo. That was unprofessional. Uri mukadzi iwe. Azvinzwa sambo waita unge uri mukadzi awakandibhowa Mishero tikutama koita uyu kochiko kana mine personal relations. I'm there. Summon me at your platform and call me. Kwete kuataka mwana uyu tichikuza mune personal relations. We know zvaunika uchatoti tunga nemhino yako pamafoni pedu. Wangozvonda Tatalicious wakuda kutoti mwana akati no musandibvunze zvababa wemwana wekutanga. Imi akati that was so unprofessional, OLLAH. You showed a level of journalism which is barbaric. That was so barbaric, unprofessional. You cannot tie someone on the neck and say, tell me. Rubbish.